Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me, a Logitech M325s, and now I'm going to show you your first steps you should do when you bought this mouse. Okay, at the very beginning, of course, we should insert the battery, enable the mouse, and connect it to our computer. So let's begin. So at the very beginning, we should open the cover of the mouse. So just slide it and cover will be opened. So then prepare the battery. You should use AA battery with 1.5 watts. So here on your battery, you have this flat side and not flat side, okay? So you should insert this flat side inside of your mouse in this way. As you can see, here is your mouse, right? And here is flat side. So insert it in this way. Okay. And here in your mouse you have this dongle. Okay. Let's see. It has Logi sign on it. So you should take it off and close the cover. Okay. Now let's enable our mouse. Let's enable. As you can see here we have switch and it has on and off sign on it. So when this tumbler on the left side, it means that it's disabled. So just switch it to the right side to have here green color and to enable your mouse. If you don't see the light here, it's okay. This mouse doesn't have red light, it's outdated technology. So in new devices you don't have this light. So okay, so now the most important part, we should connect our dongle to our computer. It's just simple USB 2.0, just simple USB-A. So just insert it in your PC. Okay, here we go. And now let's download the. Okay, now let's check does it works. So I will disable the camera. Okay, I'm here. And for example now, so maybe I will enable it in this way. Maybe it should be a bit better. Okay, as you can see, mouse works. So I can click, I can close, I can use this scrolling wheel. As you can see, this mouse is designed for left and right-handed people. So to switch forward and to switch back and forward, you can use your scrolling wheel. So just press in this way to go back and in this way to go forward. Okay, cool. So now let's download the Logitech Option application. How to download it? So just open your web browser and enter here Logitech Options. You will have here your Logitech Options Plus app, so just click on it. In my case I have everything in Polish, but I'll change the language to English 1. Okay, here we go. I have everything okay in Deutsch. Okay, so I should switch to different. I don't know why it's in Deutsch. But okay, let's enable United States, for example. Now we have everything in English. Okay, so what's now? Now click software and discover download and just download your Logitech Option application. So here you have for Windows and for macOS. If you have macOS, just click on this button. If you have MacBook or computer from Apple, if you have computer from Windows, so just click Windows, save, and it will be saved. Okay, open this up. Wait for a while. As you can see, it's opening. Okay, and now here I have my Logitech Options. So here click install Logitech Options. Downloading. Wait for about 1 minute. Okay. As you can see, computer is working neat. Okay, here we go. Here we have our application. Help us make option better. No, thank you. Be the first in line. We can log in, we can skip. I want to skip it. And as you can see, my M325 was automatically added from options. So now click continue. And here we have our mouse, right? And now we can set up our mouse. So click on it, and here, as you can see, we have middle button, back, and forward button, right? But it's for right-handed people. We can change it. For example, make forward in different sides, right? Point and scroll. For example, we can, as you can see here, we can change the pointer speed. We can change the scroll wheel type, so standard or inverted. Inverted is when you're scrolling down, but it's scrolling up. For some people it's useful. And cool, as you can see, it's cool. So we can set up our forward. For example, I want to forward in for example, I can go back by clicking left button, or forward by clicking right button, or vice versa. So that's it. That's it, guys. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it's true, please subscribe to our channel and like this video. Bye. See you.